Target. We liked about this project because we had a different job, but we worked on the same thing.
Okay.
It was hard because it was hard to color because it was not so hard.
And if we didn't have targets in our neighborhood, what would be bad about that?
People would not have any clothes. We made a police station.
Mm-hmm.
And what it was hard about
What was hard about making your police station?
that we kept on doing this, but the tape is coming off, so we tried it again, but it was still coming off.
What was easy about making the project?
Getting all of the drawings onto the paper.
Okay. And if we didn't have police stations, what would be a bad thing about not having police stations?
People won't be safe from criminals.
Try it again. Go.
We need a bank.
Okay. What was hard about making the bank?
Taping and putting all the extra paper.
Okay. What was easy about making it?
Drop coloring.
Okay. And what would be a problem in our community if we didn't have banks?
You couldn't keep precious things safe. We to build a house.
Okay. What was hard about building your house?
It's like we had to tape it on, so it kept on falling off.
What was easy about building it?
Like the drawing part.
And if we didn't have homes, what would be a problem with not having
Not
homes?
of shelter.
Go ahead.
Like the one that was easy of like taping. These were like taping and this one.
What was easy about making it?
It was like it was easy about making it.
Mm-hmm.
Like putting the cover and making the windows.
And what would be the problem if we didn't have hospitals in our community?
Then nobody will get healthy. Yeah, this will be people will be sick. It was easier about finding the office building right here.
Okay. All right. And if we didn't have office buildings, what would be bad about not having office buildings?
People wouldn't have places to work.
Very good.
What we like about this project was about making the sign.
Mm-hmm. Axel, what was challenging about this project?
It was challenging because the school was hard to make it because schools are really tall and hard to build and
Okay.
it's like to make a sign in the window.
Okay, go ahead. What is your project?
What did you like about this project? How we got to cut the cardboard.
Mm-hmm. What were the challenges?
The challenge was the cardboard cutting.
Okay. And what would happen if this place was not in our community? Chase, if this place was not in our community, what would be a problem with that?
People would not have a house to live in.
Okay, very good. And that's an apartment.